What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan, for those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? So you guys, as you can tell by the title, we are back at it with another makeup tutorial, and I am not going to waste any time. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, now to get started with the face, of course we want to prime, and I just got done using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Y'all know where to go and get that from. I will have it linked in the description box down below. But in the meantime, we are jumping in with our Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 340. Y'all, this is one of my go-to foundations. It's lightweight and it seems to always be my perfect shade. Literally love it. For concealer today, we are going to be going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in the shade Tan Neutral. Now you guys, I will let you know, I was also trying to film two videos at once. I was also trying to film a Instagram reel, so I've got two cameras set up, so y'all gotta forgive me with some of the angles, but it seemed to work out. But before we go ahead and blend out our concealer, we're going to go in with that Morphe setting spray. I like it because it already gets my concealer in the mood to just kind of stay exactly where I put it, and as it dries down, it is staying put. So now I will say it is a bit challenging going from using my Fenty concealer back to using my e.l.f. concealer. Y'all, I am such a die-hard fan for the Fenty when it comes to the makeup, but this seems to get the job done. Like I said, this concealer right here is very lightweight, affordable, and it's very good, especially if you are starting out with makeup and you know you're looking for something that's going to be a beginner-friendly type of product. This is going to be it. So yeah, don't sleep on e.l.f. It's affordable, it's good, it blends out well, and yeah, it does its thing. I mean, I guess I really don't have to tell y'all too much because the proof is right there. I mean, y'all see the blending for itself. It looks good. It looks like I low-key used the Fenty, but you know, see, that just goes to show sometimes it's not the product, it is the artist. You just got to know how to use what you're trying to use. But anyways, you guys, now that we have finished blending out our concealer, we are going to go in with a one size setting powder. Y'all, I am using the shade Ultra Pink, and I am sticking with the Ultra Pink because I have not been able to go to the store to buy any of the other shades, and the Ultra Pink seems to be working for me, especially during the summer, because I like to be a little bit more bright underneath my eyes, and I wear blush, so this just kind of, you know, helps bring out, you know, those summer vibes, those summer hues, and that's what I really like. But we have placed that OS powder on every place that we have put the concealer and blended it out, because we don't want that concealer to go anywhere at all. So this is a crucial step, especially if you are wearing makeup during the summer. You want to make sure that you are setting spray and also setting powder. You don't have to bake, but you need to at least put setting powder so that it can absorb any sweat, anything that you got going on, and plus we don't want this face to move. So yeah, let's go ahead and make sure that we are doing that, ladies. Now, you guys know I couldn't stray too far away from my Fenty bronzer. Okay, y'all, this is my go-to bronzer anytime, any place, any day. Now, I like to do my contouring with bronzer just because it looks more natural, it feels more natural, it's lightweight, it is my perfect shade. They really did a big one when they made this Fenty Coco Naughty right here. I will link it in the description box down below so that you guys can know exactly what shade I'm using, because I love it. I feel like it just gives me that natural brown, pull all of, you know, just everything together. Like, that's what I can really say. Like, contouring, it should not look harsh, it should look very natural, and you know, just giving that girl type of beat. So that's exactly what I be going for. And look, the contouring, the bronzer literally speaks for itself. I really love it. Like I said, it looks natural, easy to blend. You don't have to use a whole lot of it to get the results. I love it. So if you don't have it, go ahead and buy the Fenty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty. Add that to your makeup bag, okay? Now let's go ahead and get into the eyes, y'all. I had to deep dig into my makeup bags and pull out this very old but gold palette. This is by Pure Cosmetics, and this is their Midnight Masquerade palette, and the two shades that we are going to be using today is Sneak Peek and a Mask Off. The first shade is Sneak Peek, and that is what we are using to put into our outer corners and just blend it into our crease line to just add some dimension. You guys, when I say I'm only using 2 colors, I truly mean it, okay? I don't want to be doing no crazy outrageous looks. I want it to be wearable. I want it to just be easy to put on today, so that's what we are going for. And I was feeling the color green and brown, so I said, okay, let's see what we can do with that to still kind of give it a summer feel. And this is what I came up with. So after using that sneak peek in the outer corners into the crease line, I then went in with the shade Mask Off and just popped that right onto my eyelid. And as you can see, I'm actually dabbing the eyeshadow on. I'm not rubbing, I'm not doing any swiping, I'm just dabbing. And then I went back in with that shade Sneak Peek and I just dabbed whatever product that was left on the outer corners just to blend the 2 shades together to make everything look seamless. Once I was done with that, you guys, I went and I took that green Mask Off shade and I popped it to the under eye just to pull the look together, because who doesn't want a full put together look at the end of the day? Now, once I have finished with the eyeshadow, I did go ahead and put black eyeliner on. Y'all, I was looking so crazy trying to put eyeliner on camera for you guys, so I decided to just do that off camera. And the mascara that we are using is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. You guys can get this anywhere. I think I actually got mine from Burlington when I was there shopping some time ago. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty much the look. After applying this mascara, we are going to go ahead and pop some lashes on, and that is going to sum up the eyes for us. Now, I didn't go in depth with putting on lashes because I keep telling you guys I'm going to actually do a more detailed tutorial for you guys so that you can get it. So that is still underway, but in between time, in the meantime, we are going to go in with our Sephora blush in the shade Tiger Lily. Y'all know this is my go-to blush. I feel like I've literally had this blush for years, so this is another staple in my makeup collection that was not really so much affordable, but definitely worth the bang, okay? And we just went ahead and applied that to our higher cheekbones. Now, as for the highlighter, I have not found a highlighter that I'm in love with, so for the meantime, I am still using this Laura Gellar Blush in Brighten highlighter in the shade Tropic Hues. I like it because it's perfect for summer and it ties any and every look together that I have, and it just kind of just does its thing with not being too bright, but also not being bright, so it works out perfectly. I went ahead and put that down the bridge of my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and yeah. Now I am still on the search for a brown lip liner pencil, but for right now I am using my Mented Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Bear. I got this from Target. I went ahead and added some black lip liner on top just to kind of give it that darker brown shade that I typically go for, and I went ahead and paired it with my MAC lipstick in the shade Bronx and topped it off with my Fenty lip gloss in the shade Sweet Mouth. Y'all, this look combo, or not look, this lip combo really did it for me, so I really hope that y'all could, you know, maybe try to put that together on your own or whatever. I don't know, but hopefully I can just get blessed with like a brown lip liner so I can stop with my ghetto combination. But anyways, you guys, this right here is the look. I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I thank y'all so much for supporting me, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. But until then, may peace and love be multiplied, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.
You bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.